Everything's gone. Our chickens are in the field. Our babies. So I feel it appropriate to at least update everybody. For the most part, our house is okay. Our barn is gone, and our chicken coop is gone. That's our chicken coop. We just have debris everywhere. Our favorite shade trees torn to hell. Where the guys are standing is where our coop used to be. Spread all in the trees and across the field. But the good news is, somehow, by a miracle, we have all 30 chickens, 2 geese, 3 turkeys, and 3 ducks, which is our total count. I don't know how, and they're really traumatized, and some of them are injured, but I think they're all gonna make it, and even our honeybees made it, and I feel so blessed, but I'm still so sad. So anyways, thank you everybody for your thoughts and your prayers.